الفاتحة. آية النمرة 7. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Surah Al-Fatiha, verse 7, clearly defines the straight path by describing it through both affirmation and rejection. The path is that of those whom Allah has blessed with true guidance, people who received divine law, accepted it sincerely, lived by it, protected it, and were grateful for it. These include the prophets, the truthful, the martyrs, and the righteous. At the same time, the verse excludes two other paths, those who incurred Allah's wrath and those who went astray. Those who incurred wrath are people who knowingly rejected or distorted divine guidance out of rebellion and worldly desire, even opposing its messengers. Those who went astray are people who deviated through ignorance and excess, introducing innovations and exaggerations into religion. This verse teaches that guidance is not only finding the right path, but remaining steadfast upon it. A true believer seeks Allah's favor while also seeking protection from deliberate deviation and misguided innovation.